Now you've configured your Field Temp system, it says that it's logging, but you want to check and see what values am I getting from my sensors? Do they make sense? You can definitely pull the SD card and look at the data, but I'm going to show you a way to do it with just your phone and entering into configuration mode. So while it's easy enough to pull the SD card and look at the data that's on there from your sensors, sometimes you just want to get an idea of, is everything working? Am I getting values that I expect? Or you're troubleshooting a bad connection, let's say. So I'm going to go ahead and put the logger in config mode and show you an easy way to do this. If you need to know more about config mode and how to get to that page, be sure to check out that video. Okay, so we're in configuration mode. Now I'm going to connect from my phone and we'll see how to do this. Okay, I'm on the logger configuration page. I'm going to scroll down all the way to the bottom under diagnostics. So we would see any errors if they were there. Maybe it couldn't communicate with the sensor properly, or there's an SD card error. But below those errors, there's a button that says read sensors. If you press that, the unit's going to query all of the sensors that you have configured and show you this gigantic table of up to 128 sensors on up to 12 strings. So my first sensor that I entered is this stick of 7 sensors, and you can see they're all there and all very close in value. That makes sense, maybe just a little bit of difference from studio lights. And sensor string number 2 is my ambient air temperature. It is really 31°C in the studio right now. It's a very hot day, and unfortunately the air conditioning in the studio isn't working. So that's a quick way that you can see your live readings. Then you can go back to settings if you need to do any more troubleshooting, or even refresh this page and take another set of readings. Other than doing a quick QC of your data, this can be a great debugging tool, and it doesn't take you out of config mode. So I could just return to my settings page. Maybe I need to modify a serial number. I'm not reading and I look and I say, oh, I mistyped. That was supposed to be 489 instead of 488. I can save that, go back into config mode, and then look at the sensors again. But it's important to remember that once you're done, you want to save everything, get out of configuration mode, and then you're all set to leave this logging data in the field.